I stayed at this hotel on first night in Liugui. Packed up my stuff. Started traveling again. I tried to capture the most beautiful scenes on my way. I was searching for a place to bushcraft. A place with flowing water and isolation. And then magic happened. Look at this place, oh my god. I unpacked my stuff and started preparing. There was something magical about that place. Starting a fire. Have a look at 360. I stir for a while to warm up my body. Started cooking. Do you know how I can cook bread anywhere? Join me, I will explain this in another video. A warm cup of tea in the isolation with flowing water making noise. That's so soothing. It was getting dark and started looking for a hotel. We'll show you where I stayed on the next day.